In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the Rode VideoMic Pro. Okay, I'll go ahead and unzip the back. Okay, so this is the Rode VideoMic Pro. Okay, this is a condenser shotgun microphone specially designed for DSLR or mirrorless camera. Okay, I'm going to show you how to insert the battery. Always use an alkaline 9-volt battery. Okay, it requires a 9-volt battery. Always use an alkaline, do not use any super heavy duty batteries. Okay, and by using an alkaline battery, it will last for about 70 hours according to Rode. Okay, so to insert the battery, you need to open up the battery compartment door. Okay, this battery compartment door is not very well designed, and I must say it's a bit hard to insert the battery. Okay, so you just have to be very careful. Okay, to open this door, you just have to push this up. Okay, then you can open it. Okay, there's a diagram inside the battery compartment, so you can see the polarity. Okay, so minus is facing up. Okay, so insert the battery, and then there's this groove here, so you have to push this in. Okay, push this in, and then push in, and then it will snap back into the compartment. Okay, so then now I'm going to show you how to connect to the Canon 70D. Okay, so there's a horseshoe mouth on top of the camera. Okay, so this is the horseshoe mouth. Okay, so we're going to insert it, slide it in. Okay, and then after you slide it in, you need to tighten the screw. Okay, it's to tighten is a clockwise direction. Okay, make sure it secures tightly. Okay, then this is the cable that connects to the mic input of the camera. Okay, the mic input of the Canon 70D is over here. Okay, it says mic. Okay, so open the door and then insert the cable. Okay, make sure it's tightly secure. All right. So what is so special about this microphone? Okay, so you can see from here. Okay, so there's only basically two switches to turn on the microphone. Okay, you just push from the off location all the way to the right. Okay, you should push it all the way to the right and activate the low cut filter, or what we call the high pass filter. Okay, basically it reduces low frequencies, which could be like aircon noise or street noise, etc. Okay, then there another very important switch is this, the one below. Okay, make sure you switch to plus 20 decibel. This is very, very important. Okay, by activating the plus 20 decibel Bose on the microphone and lowering the audio input volume on the camera, okay, you'll be able to capture the microphone's crystal clear audio, okay, instead of the poor, noisy onboard sound. Okay, so very important that you turn this to plus 20 decibel. Okay, so since this is a shotgun microphone, it has a cardioid polar pattern. Okay, so it's directional. You only record sounds in front, okay, which is what we want most of the time. Okay, it also has a short recording distance. So, I mean, the microphone should always go as close as possible to your talent or profile. Okay, so try to keep it to 1 meter or less. Okay, so you cannot really use this microphone. If it's for interview, make sure it's 1 meter or less. Okay, and however, of course, you can use this to capture the ambient sound as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to set the camera menu. Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure that you're in the P or M mode. Okay, M is the full manual mode, P is the semi-auto mode where the camera tries to adjust the shutter speed and aperture automatically for you. You just need to focus and frame. Okay, and make sure you're also in the video mode. Okay, only when these two conditions are met, then when I press menu, the video menu will show. Okay, let me go ahead and press the menu button. Okay, so you can see that this is the video menu 1. This is video menu 2. Okay, so let's go straight to sound recording. Okay, press the set button. Okay, then press the set button again. Make sure you're in menu. Okay, then third, rotate the dial. Okay, then the recording level. Okay, for Rode VideoMic Pro, the recommended setting is 1 click above off. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this. Okay, I'm going to rotate the dial to 1 click above off. Okay, just go all the way to off and then 1 click above off. Okay, so I'm going to just test this. Mic test. As you can see, it's actually quite loud already. If you want, you can actually adjust one more click. Mic test. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so basically we want it to be as loud as possible without hitting 0. When it hits 0, it will be distorted. Okay, so let me just show you how distortion looks like. Okay, mic test. Okay, so now we hit red color, so this is distortion. Okay, so we don't want that. Alright, so maybe about 1 click to a few clicks above off. Okay, so we want it to be between around -12 and 0, somewhere in between with a bit of buffer away from 0. Okay, so just press set. And then for wind filter and attenuator, you can just leave it as disabled. Okay, so yeah, that's it.